Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
One more time?
We moved to new place because in the previous villa, we only booked for 10 days and we couldn't prolong our stay because it's already booked. It's difficult to look for accommodation during this time because it's holiday season and New Year is coming. This is the hotel we found which is available and within our budget. Let's have a quick tour. They have swimming pool. Archie purposely booked place with swimming pool to keep the kids busy because they love swimming. We will be staying here for 4 days.
So this is the place where we stay. Yeah. Like this. They have kitchen. Even have some small fridge. Wow, coffee maker like this. And then this is the cabinet. And then let's check the toilet.
The place is quite small for us, but it is clean and the staffs are friendly. We will have our lunch because we didn't eat before we check in and we are all hungry. We decided to use the toll and check if our card is still working.
Nice! Oh, we still have money! Yeah, you see it didn't expire.
And we were surprised that we still have balance on it.
You try to
We are here in Jimbaran sidewalk to have our lunch. We used to eat here before, that's why we came back so I can eat my steak. This is the steak I ordered. I choose it from the meat section and then they will cook it for me. For the kids, we ordered roasted chicken.
He wants mashed potato.
And for Archie, he ordered salmon and tuna steak.
Is it well done?
Archie's diet is mainly plant-based. He is vegan, but sometimes he allows himself to consume fish. After our lunch, we bought juice. Archie loves fiery green. It's a combination of spinach, pineapple, orange, and ginger. We also bought donut and cakes for the kids to share.
Juice, maybe I drink juice more.
What you bought? What is
I
this?
fire green for myself.
Golden apple?
Yeah, for Adeline, apple juice.
And then for me, this one. Pasi! Pasi! You see, don't want to share pa. No, you have cake. This one is you. You choose this cake, right? This one is Luchik. Luchik. Choose this.
And they enjoyed eating it, though it's messy to eat. After that, I opened the cake. Luchik and Adeline also enjoy eating cake.
This is your apple juice.
We decided to visit Jimbaran Beach.
Adeline, drink your coconut.
We ordered coconut. It's 20,000 rupiah. Here you can sit and enjoy the nice view while drinking your coconut. It's also a nice spot to see the airplanes either taking off or landing at the airport. A lot of people come here to see the sunset. There's a seafood restaurants and cafes offering fresh and delicious seafoods near the beach. Nice place to have a romantic dinner while enjoying the sunset. I also asked Archie to buy me this local snack. I don't know the name of this snack, but it reminds me of a spring rolls. It's a fried food consists of tofu, some veggies like carrots, bean sprouts, and then served with a sweet, salty brown sauce.
One done. This one? Chili?
Options to add chili for extra spice.
Okay.
Thank you.
Archie also bought grilled corn. He will share with Adeline. She likes corn. When I was pregnant with Adeline, I always asked Archie to buy me grilled corn. When we're heading home, we experienced heavy traffic. The roads leading from Bali Mandara Toll Road to the Ngurah Airport. Toll road operators recorded a record number of 73,000 vehicles traveling the road in a single day. We saw dozens of travelers, both foreign and domestic, left their cars and walked to the airport. Meanwhile, Adeline is very playful in front of the camera. She entertains herself just by watching herself making silly and cute faces. Luckily, she didn't make drama while we are stuck in heavy traffic.
Nightmare.
Yeah. Luckily, we managed to escape the traffic. We will use the toll because we have card.
We are also lucky that the police allowed us to enter the toll.
I hope it's still enough. I don't know. Can you check how much cash we have?
Yeah.
I don't know how much cash we have.
We just ride smoothly going back to our hotel. We also decided to go to supermarket to buy some food and drinks, so we have something to eat, especially for the kids. At least they have some snacks to eat.
Okay, so we bought this one. Yeah. So this Papa, this one you don't need to put hot water, right? It's already like heating itself. Then you use this, pa?
Yeah, no need hot water, no need microwave, any fire, nothing.
Yeah.
Just cold water and that's it.
And then it cooks already.
And
So-
cooks by itself by heating element.
So how is the taste?
Same, you can try same as normal instant noodle.
Is it delicious? Also?
Our son will decide. delicious.
Looks like he accept.
Yeah.
But you know that this is the most expensive instant noodle that we bought.
Yeah, it costs.
Yeah, it costs about 100,000 plus rupiah. I forgot
So
already
it's
the
about
exact.
like 80 plus
Yeah.
SGD like this.
80?
8.
8 SGD? Oh. Yeah. So, I think this one is perfect for camping.
Yeah, I think the nice.
If you want to do
very
camping and then you
convenient.
don't have some hot water available,
Yeah.
so this is very valuable. So we just try for experience. This is the brand. This is plant-based. Yeah. Which country ba? Produce? Huh? Oh my God! This is in Singapore.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I never seen this product in Singapore.
You see? But it is made in Malaysia.
Huh?
It is made in Malaysia, but they import in Singapore.
Thank you for joining us in today's vlog. Take care, God bless, and see you on the next one. Bye-bye!
Bye bye.